Kia ora, ko Matawhara te maunga, ko Waitaha Nui te awa, ko Te Arawa te waka, ko Te Arawa te iwi. No te puke ahau, ko Clarence Tuku ingoa. I'm from Te Puke and I'm studying at the University of Otago. I'm fourth year medicine. When I was at high school, no one really opened those doors. No one ever talked about being a doctor, and no one ever told you to reach far. They didn't tell you to do something that no one else has done. If someone else did tell me that I could have done medicine, I might have strived for it a bit earlier or chosen the right subjects. The main advice would be just don't think that medicine is out of your reach. Don't think that going to university or going to do health science is something that is kind of closed off. The big thing for me is trying to support my whānau and not let health problems or the health sector kind of stand in their way of living a normal, healthy life. My main motivation is to go back, once I've finished, go back to my iwi and help out as best as I can at hospitals there. Together with Kia ora hauora, let's see Māori living careers in health. Kia ora hauora.